Hi students, I'm Lily, and it's wonderful to have you back here at QA Online Academy. I hope you've been practicing your basic examples from the last lesson. Remember, consistency is the key to mastering QA and automation. Today, we're taking a deep dive into HTML elements. Understanding the anatomy of an element is crucial for everything we do next. We'll break down tags, content, and nesting, so you can build structured web pages with confidence. Let's get to work. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. It's the whole package. For example, here is a heading and a paragraph. Notice the opening and closing brackets for each. Some elements, like the BR tag for line breaks, have no content. These are called empty elements, and they don't have an end tag. HTML elements can also be nested, which means they can contain other elements inside them. All HTML documents work this way. Look at this structure. The HTML tag is the root, containing the body, which then holds our headings and paragraphs. The HTML element defines the entire document. It starts at the top and ends at the very bottom. Inside that, the body element defines everything visible to the user on the page. A quick warning, never skip your end tags. While some browsers might fix it for you, it can lead to very unpredictable errors. Also, tags are not case sensitive. However, W3C recommends using lowercase, and that's exactly what we do here at the Academy. Ready for a challenge? Open PyCharm on your computer now. It's your turn to practice nesting. Create a body element that contains one H2 heading and 2 paragraphs. I'll give you 10 seconds. Time's up. Your code should look like this, with the heading and paragraphs neatly nested inside the body tags. Great job today! You've mastered the building blocks of the web. Keep that momentum going. In our next chapter, we'll explore HTML attributes. Be sure to go back and practice the previous chapters in your free time. Don't forget to join us and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels. We love reading your feedback. Practice hard, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Happy coding!